So here today in Chertsey, where we're replacing two transformers, replacing them with brand new units. The existing ones are at the end of their useful working life, and these new transformers will be operational for another 40 years. The existing substation here has two transformers, which is there for redundancy. So in the event of a fault or maintenance, we can keep all the supplies on with the other transformer. So when we are replacing these transformers, we will always have one in service, so that customers will see no interruption in their supply whatsoever. And obviously on completion of the project, we'll have two transformers back into service.
Once the transformer arrives at site, the trailer is positioned in the correct location to skid the transformer to its desired location. The transformer is then skidded along the tracks and dropped down onto timbers, ready for final positioning. Once the transformer is installed, our team will undertake the build-up of all the ancillaries that were stripped for transport. In this case, we install 8 radiators, 4 fans and a conservator, along with any final touches, including running the capillaries and wiring the fans. We will then fill the transformer up with the oil that was stripped for transport also.
When the winders finish, we as SSC, we take it over and we're doing the wiring, and then we got commissioning engineers who is testing the transformer, and then we got SAPs who is checking over everything, and if all of the parties agree and we think everything is as should be, then we switch in on.
You know, we're investing this year in over £100 million in replacing existing equipment or reinforcing our network. This project that we're at here today in Chertsey is one of those. We have other projects in nearby areas, in Chobham, Aldershot, Basingstoke, all similar types of project where we're investing as part of our overall £2 billion investment plan.